Every project starts with an idea. On a small scale, or taking on much larger dimensions. Some require exceptional reliability. Others channel our spirit of adventure. At ETEM, we love ideas that help you move forward. Ideas in tune with your vision of the future and bringing it that little bit closer. We take your idea and turn it into the perfect solution. Working day in, day out, across the globe. For you and with you, in close collaboration. After all, quality is clear to see when everything falls into place. Because your enthusiasm spurs us on. Because engineering comes naturally to us. And because your ideas are worth it.